guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on accessibility, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, come here to show like answer buttons. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here show like answer buttons disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.